Alright, we solve for this equation because we cannot rewrite both sides of the equation into the same base. So the only way we can approach this question, either raise up the log on both sides, and you can raise up ln, that would be the same result. Now once we have the log raised up on both sides, we can swing the power to the front. So we can rewrite into 1 minus 2x multiply with the log 5. Here we swing the x plus 6 to the front as well. So we have x plus 6 multiply log 7. Now we distribute it. So we get a log 5 minus 2x multiply log 5. Distribute here. So we get an x multiply log 7 plus 6 multiply log 7. Now x, they are the like term. So we put them together. So I'm going to bring this x to the left hand side. So we will have negative 2x multiply log 5 minus x multiplied by log 7 is equal 6 times log 7 minus log 5. So here we can take out x outside, or we can take out negative x outside. That's the same thing. Okay, so when I bring the negative x outside, here I still have a 2. So I will have the 2 log 5 plus log 7 is equal 6 log 7 minus log 5. Solving for x, we simply to divide by 2 log 5 plus log 7. So do the same to the right, and then they will cross out. Now you have the negative x is equal 6 log 7 minus log 5 over 2 multiplied by log 5 plus log 7. We are solving for positive x, so we simply to divide by negative 1 on both sides, and I simply to put a negative 1 in the front to run the solution. When you use the calculator to input the solution to the calculator, the number here, you can convert the number into, let me see what's the solution. I have number 14. So the solution of this one is negative 1.494. So here you will have negative 1.494. Alright, so the way you input to the calculator, you simply to put a 6 multiplied by log 7, then you minus log 5. Everything that divided by 2 log 5 plus log 7. And whatever number that produced here, you simply to add a negative sign into it. Another question, this is an exponential equation. So the left hand side gives us 2 over 3 power x. When I look at the right hand side, then it looks very similar. However, the pattern is upside down. The left hand side we have the 2/3, right hand side 27 over 8. Eventually I can rewrite into 3 over 2 power 3. However, 2/3 is not equal to 3 over 2. So we can swap. We can simply just swap the fraction on the right hand side into 2/3. So once you swap the order of the numerator and the denominator, your exponent will change to a negative degree power. So when you have 3 over 2, that carry the degree power is 3. Once you flip the numerator and the denominator, the degree, you need to multiply by a negative sign into it. Now, as here you can see, left-hand side and the right-hand side have the same base. So we can simply to cross out the base, and then we solve for x equal negative 3. Exponential equation, you don't need to do the test. So the answer will be x equal negative 3.